Have you ever wondered what would happen if Apple took a MacBook, a futuristic design concept, and a bucket of money and then mixed them all into one device? Well, that's exactly what people are saying about the upcoming iPad Pro M5, one of the most anticipated Apple releases in years. And no, this isn't just another thin slab of glass with a shiny logo. Apple looks ready to redefine what a tablet can be. And the rumors surrounding the M5 suggest it might just be the most powerful iPad ever. Now, let's be real every year. Apple tells us their new device is the best one yet, but the M5 actually sounds like it could earn that title. Why? Because we're not just talking about a slightly faster processor or an extra camera lens. We're looking at a full-blown leap in design, performance, and functionality. Think thinner bezels, laptop-level RAM, console-style graphics, and even a cooling system that sounds more like it belongs in a gaming PC. Yeah, Apple's not messing around with this one. The current iPad Pro M4 is already crazy thin at just 5.1 millimeters, which is thinner than most textbooks I never opened in college. With the M5, Apple isn't trying to shave off more millimeters, thankfully, because nobody wants a tablet that snaps in half if you sneeze near it. Instead, the focus is on strength. Rumors suggest Apple could use a blend of aluminum and titanium, which basically means your iPad might end up being tougher than your car's bumper. The bezels are shrinking too, making room for bigger screens, 11.5 inches and 13.5 inches. That's not just a tablet. That's basically a portable movie theater for your backpack. Imagine watching Netflix, sketching artwork, or editing videos on what feels like a glowing sheet of glass. Honestly, it sounds like the kind of thing Tony Stark would casually pull out during a board meeting. And here's something iPad users have been begging for: dual front-facing cameras. Finally, no more awkward FaceTime angles where your friend stares at your ear because you're holding the iPad in landscape mode. With the M5, the iPad will switch seamlessly between portrait and landscape, giving you that natural camera angle we've all been waiting for. About time, Apple. The iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be more than just a refresh. It's Apple's way of saying, the tablet era is alive and kicking. While other companies experiment with foldables and hybrids, Apple's doubling down on making the iPad the ultimate dual machine. Expensive? Absolutely. Worth it. For the right user, definitely. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think the iPad Pro M5 can truly replace a laptop? Or is Apple still selling us a very fancy sketchbook with Wi-Fi? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming deep dives into Apple's 2025 lineup. Also, check out the videos on your screen right now for more Apple news, including the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the M5 Mac Mini. Trust me, you don't want to miss those. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.